Welcome to today's Explainer. We're diving right into cracking the AI-200. That's the Microsoft-certified Azure AI Cloud Developer Associate exam. If you're looking to prove you've got what it takes to build, test, and deploy generative AI solutions using Azure OpenAI, this is the certification you need. Now, it's a tough beta exam meant for highly qualified folks, but I actually want to pivot right to the core challenge people face with it, because honestly, it might not be what you think. Think about this number for a second. 50%. Roughly half of the people who take this exam end up failing. But here's the wild part. They aren't failing just because they lack the technical knowledge. They're failing because of test anxiety and a serious lack of confidence. When you actually sit down in that testing environment, the psychological pressure can completely derail all your hard work and preparation.
And that brings us to the whole philosophy behind the prep platform we're looking at today. The entire system is built to do exactly this: decrease anxiety and increase confidence. It's not just some standard question bank. The platform is specifically designed to eliminate that 50% failure risk by actively building your confidence way before test day rolls around.
Section 1. Simulating the real tests. The platform takes a really smart two-pronged approach. You've got exam mode and practice mode. Exam mode is the strict one. It mimics the real test completely, giving you the exact same length, the same brutal difficulty, and most importantly, the actual pressure of the testing center. But then, on the flip side, you have practice mode. This is a fully customizable sandbox where you can set up a highly targeted learning experience that matches exactly what you need to work on. Section 2, customizing your practice session. They heavily recommend following a straightforward two-step approach here. Step 1 is simple. Get a solid idea of the topics covered. You definitely don't want to waste time studying irrelevant stuff, right? So map out the overall scope first. Then, step 2 is taking multiple choice practice tests to build familiarity. By repeatedly testing yourself with realistic questions, you get comfortable with the format and actually learn how to budget your time effectively. And think about the level of control you get to pull off that second step. You can tweak all these adjustable parameters to aggressively target your specific weak spots. You want to drill down on custom topics? You can do that. You can set the test duration anywhere from 30 up to 120 minutes, adjust your passing score from 30 to 80%, and even pick the exact number of tests and questions. You are literally in the driver's seat for your own studying. Section 3, accelerating with smart tools. All right, first up is learning mode. And let me tell you, this is a massive quality of life feature. Instead of grinding through a huge test and having to wait until the very end to figure out what you messed up on, learning mode gives you instant feedback. It shows you the correct answer right as you take the test. So you're actually correcting your mental models in real time, which is absolutely crucial for retention. Next up, we have auto scroll. In this simulator, the questions are lined up vertically. Auto scroll just automatically bumps you down to the next question as soon as you answer. It sounds like a small thing, but it heavily cuts down on unnecessary clicks, saves you a ton of time, and really keeps you locked into a state of flow while you practice. Then there's the bookmark feature. Whenever you hit a really tough question, or maybe one you just absolutely cannot figure out, you can easily save it for later review. This is a total game changer because it empowers you to actually learn from your mistakes. You can bookmark those brutal concepts and effortlessly revisit them to make sure you've got them down cold before you ever sit for the real exam. Section 4, study anywhere and anytime. Now, for ultimate flexibility, there's a mobile app available for both iOS and Android. And it packs the exact same features as the web version, but with the added bonus of offline study. So if you're commuting or just away from Wi-Fi, you can keep right on prepping. Plus, your progress stays perfectly synced between the web and your mobile device. You can start a session on your laptop, switch to your phone offline, and go back to the web later. The whole shebang stays seamlessly synced up. We've seen how simulating the real test environment, customizing your practice, and leveraging these smart digital tools can completely transform how you prepare. So, are you ready to leave that test anxiety behind and finally conquer the AI-200 exam? I highly recommend checking out easyquiz.com for your exam preparation. With both their online web simulator and their super convenient mobile app, you can take total control of your study time right now and walk into test day with absolute confidence.